a confession. I am obsessed with finishing off my pieces with tassels, so I can't not show you how to do them. So for this example, I'm going to cut 3 pieces of string. Now you can cut 10 or 2, depending on how small or chunky you want your tassel. But for this example, just 3 pieces of string, roughly the same length. Line them all up and tuck them under 2 strings. Pull them through. Now stick your finger between the strings and create a little loop. That's it. Grab both ends and tuck the ends through that loop that you've just created. And pull down. That's it. Pull, pull, pull. And there you have your perfect tassel. And all you need to do is to get a scissors, get your hairdressing skills out, and snip the ends so it's all nice and even. There you go. A lovely tassel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.